Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beachy Bunny and today this is not a crabbing video, unfortunately. This is a vacation spot video, and I am at High Steel Bridge here in Mason County, Washington. Yes, Washington State. And I had to come alone, so this is a solo trip, but I am so excited to show you guys this High Steel Bridge. Is very popular, so come along with me. Look how beautiful it is here. And here is High Bridge. As you guys can see, it is a one-lane car ride, so two cars cannot be on the bridge at the same time. Lord have mercy, guys. I am so high up. Whoa. I am so scared of heights too. Oh my God. Woohoo! Look how crazy high this is. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at the waterfalls down there. Oh my God, I'm so scared of heights. Whoa. Isn't Washington breathtaking? This is so cool. Like I said, I am scared of heights, so this is just wild to me, but there's nobody on the road right now, so this is so cool. That was so cool. I am heading off the bridge and now I'm gonna drive over it. It is so crazy. But Washington is so beautiful. I love the Pacific Northwest. It's been my favorite thing. So I just had to stop here and we're gonna make a few more stops on the way back to the hotel. So let's do it. All right, I am pulled on the side of the road on this back road in Washington and I found an apple tree. I am so fascinated. I have never seen like real apple trees like in Florida and everything. And I found some blackberry bushes over here too, which is so crazy. So we're gonna go over here and look at the apples. All right, there's nobody coming, so we're gonna walk across the road. Hopefully nobody will say something. Won't say anything. But this is just too cool for school. Look at the apples on the ground. This is so crazy. I'm gonna step over here because a car is coming. Oh, this is so cool. Wow, look at all the apples. All right, I'm sorry that I'm in the dark, but I am gonna pick an apple. It is not on nobody's property. It's literally on the side of the road, so let's pick an apple. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I have no idea what kind of apple this is, but this is a wild. And I'm gonna grab one more. And here are wild blackberries. Look how cool, guys, just on the side of the road. How fascinating. All right, so I am done picking some apples and looking at the berries, and I almost stepped on a snake. It was a baby, I don't know what kind of snakes are up here. in the Pacific Northwest, but it was really cool. So we're gonna go on to the next stop, wherever I want to stop at. All right, I'm on the side of the road and I found this cool restaurant, cash only, and look how cool this is. It's called Fat Smitty's, and look at the hamburger and everything. How cool is that? Everything is made out of wood. And there's a hamburger and then Fat Smitty's. Look at the Pepsi Cola. How cool. All right, I am stopped on the side of the road and I am looking at the Roosevelt Elk of the Sequim area. This is where I am currently staying, is in Sequim. So we're going to go look at some totem poles that have been catching my attention. So yeah, it's really cool out here. There are so many Native American tribes here in Washington, and I just wanted to show you guys. So basically we're in Jamestown. I'm just not even gonna pronounce their tribal name, but I just wanted to show you their humongous totem pole. It is fantastically gargantuan and it's beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. You see the mountains behind the totem pole. I'm gonna try to get a little closer so y'all can see, but look how beautiful this is, and look how tall. So that's like a community center. They got a dental clinic over there. They got admin, natural resources. So it is so cool around here. But look at this. How pretty is that? And these totem poles are ridiculous. Crazy. And then right behind where the totem poles are is this beautiful place. I hope I'm not intruding and being on private property, but it is absolutely beautiful back here. And look at that gorgeous sunset. Look how beautiful. They got a playground over there and it's just right on the bay. I didn't even know the backside had something too. And I guess that's their native language, so that's pretty cool. It's so pretty. Some cultures are just so gorgeous. And for you guys that don't know, marijuana is legal in Washington. So I just wanted to show you guys a marijuana shop that is really pretty. The Cedar marijuana shop. They even got moss growing around and everything. Walk-up window. Look at the marijuana. That's so cool. I don't smoke marijuana, so don't get it twisted, but look how pretty it is over here. And then yep, it's called Cedar Green. This is the Cedar hotel that's ran by the Native Americans, and as you see, the totem poles are right there too. Really pretty. I'm gonna take a picture real quick. But yep, really cool. A lot of casinos up here ran by Native Americans. And let's see if we can just get a picture.
Keep right onto Washington Street toward City.
Sorry guys.
900 feet, turn left.
I just want to show you guys just the hotel right here, the Seven Cedars Hotel. So that's what it looks like. And then more totem poles. Really cool. All right. right, guys, that is it for today. I didn't do a lot. I just got in yesterday, and I just went to a few places, and just wanted to show you guys around the area. And I had a pretty good time today, and since my brother couldn't come with me, I brought my Boo Bear. So he's been a passenger princess, and if he was here, he would have just loved everything, just would have sniffed everything. And even though he's been gone since 2022, November 2022, he still brings me comfort, and I just love him to death. But anyways, if you have not liked and subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps me, it helps the algorithm, and it helps encourage people. If you want to travel solo, you can do it. I traveled from Florida to Washington by myself, and I'm staying here for 7 days by myself. So you can do it. So if you feel alone and you have a pet, if they're living or not, just make a pillow and just bring them with you. And you know, he brings me so much comfort, even though he's not with me. You know, just looking at him and just looking in the passenger seat and his beautiful eyes just staring at me, it just makes me happy. So I won't feel entirely alone, which I don't really feel alone, but I wish somebody was with me, but it is what it is. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. I have many adventures to share with you guys, and I will see you guys on the next adventure.